Hey, what's up, Gina? Thank you so much for talking to me earlier today. My name is Devin Norton from SEO Dallas, Texas, and I'm going to briefly show you how to improve your website so you can start generating your own customers through your website. If you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all of their time running their business, taking care of their customers. They typically don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And the only thing typically holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of business owners end up calling me back going, you know what, Devin, I like you, just take care of all this for me. So at the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and I can do some real good for your business. Give me a call and we can chat. If you want to take this information and apply it yourself, that's okay too. This is free education. Just please send me back some feedback and let me know what you thought about this video. I'm going to briefly show, and I only want one sentence, by the way, that's it. Just like, let me know if you thought the information was valuable. I'm going to briefly tell you how to make your website more of an authority, how to make it more trustworthy, and how to get ranked in the local map hack rankings. Let's start by looking at your website. The logo is great. The website, it looks beautiful. Very clean, very easy on the eyes. From a web design point of view, it's a great looking website. I really like all these accreditations down here. Unfortunately, Google does not rank you based off how good your website looks. They take your website, they break it down into a text file, and then they run their robots through it, and they scan for keywords to rank you for. So like, there's a ton. I looked through your keyword list, and the one I picked would be like bathroom remodeling Houston, because 1,300 people a month search for that. So you really want to be ranking for that kind of keyword. You want to have those keywords within your text, but you also want to be considered the authority on those keywords. And the authority is the person that has the most content. The average website on the front page of Google that has, or that is on the first page, has 1,890 words. So you want to be sitting around 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page. Looks like you probably have about 500 on yours. So that's my first tip, is to get to 1,500 to 2,000. Also, whatever image is saved as content counts as content. So instead of GHBA, which I know that's what it is, you can save that as bathroom remodeling Houston, and it'll help you rank for that keyword. Your main competitors are Premier Remodel right here, and you can see very, very dense with content. They're doing it right the front way, but they don't have 1,500 words, so you're going to blow them out of the water with that. Also, whatever the image is saved as, they're not doing that right either. They should have that as Kitchen Remodel Houston, and they don't. So you can beat them that way. That's tip one. After you're made the authority, you need to be considered trustworthy. Google doesn't want to just put like any website with a ton of text on it up there. They got to make sure you're a legitimate business. And so look at how many other websites are linking to you, driving traffic to you. But keep in mind, they want relevant links. So you're going to get a lot more power from other remodeling companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. And so the tool I use to check this out is called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month, but it gives you extremely valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. So it says you have 364 websites linking to you, and you have 1.7 thousand going to your website every day, or every month, sorry. That's freaking awesome. Like, you're doing great, and it kind of seems silly that I'm making this for you, but anyone can improve, and let me show you how you can improve. If you look at Premier Remodel, these guys have less than you. They have less domains, yet they have almost double your traffic. So how are they doing that? One, they have the right content, because content is king of this industry, but two, they have better links than you do. So there's a golden ratio between having your URL rating, which is the exact link, and then your domain rating, which is your entire website. And you want to have that as close to a 1-to-1 as possible, which they're pretty close, and you're pretty far off. So you want to get links that are more relevant, or that have to do with, that are closer to that 1-to-1 ratio, and the best way to do that is just copy their links. So you go see what links they're getting, you'll get them for yourselves. If home design is relevant, anything that has to do with like home design, builders, Houston, it's all local and relevant. Let's see, Houston, anything like that is the ones you want to get. You want to take them from them. And, I mean, imagine taking their traffic. That's a lot more business for you. It's doubling your business, right? That's the second thing. The last thing, Gina, is when somebody types in bathroom remodeling Houston and they're ready to buy, they call the first remodeler that shows up that seems trustworthy. You want to be that remodeler. Those are the easiest customers to close. People skip these ads all the time. It could be from bad experiences in the past, or they just have ad blockers. And so the best place to rank yourself is in the Google My Business or local map hack section. Getting here requires having more citations than your competitors, which is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web, such as like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, City Star. These are really common ones. The best strategy here is to figure out what directories these guys are listed in, list yourself in those same ones, but then add a bunch more on top. So like if these guys are in 150 directories, put yourself in like 250, if not 300. That's all I've got for you, Gina. I hope you found this really informative. As a quick recap, you're going to want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page. You're doing great with the amount of domains. You just want to have more relevant ones linking to you. So I would go and copy your competitors and take the ones that have to do with what you're offering. and then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than these guys. Just make sure it's spelled the same way across the internet so it all is relevant to each other. Gina, if you want to take this free information and apply it yourself, by all means, that's totally okay. This is free education with no strings attached. I just ask you, please send me back one sentence of feedback to let me know if you thought this was valuable information. If you want to continue running your business and you want us to take care of your marketing needs, you can also email us back, ask for some more info. At the bottom of the email I sent you has our phone number. It's 214-441-6737. Either way, I look forward to hearing back from you, and I appreciate you taking the time out of your busy day to watch this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.